guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Karen and today I'm really excited to share with you a super easy non-bake recipe for a dessert. And it's kind of like a key lime pie dessert, but it actually requires cookies and you're not gonna bake it at all. So let's get into it. So your ingredients are gonna be galletas Marias. Your second ingredient is gonna be sweet condensed milk. The brand I'm using is La Lechera. It's completely up to your preference and honestly whatever you find at your supermarket, because not every store might have this brand. So sweet condensed milk. Now for your third ingredient, you're going to be using evaporated milk. The brand I'm using is Carnation. Again, whatever you find at your local store. For your fourth ingredient, I am going to be using crushed pineapples, and you can totally use fresh pineapple. I just don't have any at home, and the crushed version is just easy because we're just gonna put it in between, but we'll see later. Now for your fifth ingredient, I'm gonna be using medium-sized limes, but you can definitely use the smaller version of them, and that will probably take about 8 or 10, depending on how juicy they are. For my last ingredient, which is completely optional if you do have a walnut or peanut allergy, you don't have to add this, but I will be topping off the dessert with a little bit of chopped up walnuts that I'll be using. You can use almonds, you can use pistachios, anything that you want to kind of top it off, but it's completely optional. Alright, so the 4 lemons have been cut and squeezed. So this is about maybe 3 ounces, I'm honestly not sure. But I've already opened up the condensed milk and the evaporated milk, and now I'm going to blend this in the NutriBullet, but you can just use a regular blender. Has been chilling for about 2.5 hours, and now we're gonna take the first bite.